Me again. I went to court yesterday at the Beckley City Municipal Court in Raleigh County, West Virginia. I sat there. Of course, the same guy that yelled at me wasn't the same one that put me in handcuffs last time, but he was there. Some other guy showed up. He said he tried to say, well, later on I'll get to that. But anyway, they waited till everybody left the courtroom. Brought me in by myself with him again. And they dismissed the charges. But the way they wrote them, of course, because one of them's for no proof of insurance. I tried to tell him I had a copy of my certified driving record with the receipt. I got a copy of my North Carolina driver's license. I got the copy of the reinstatement form where I reinstated them in 2007. All these tickets are from 2008. I did not have a West Virginia driver's license, and everybody knows the law. And you might go to a different state, but when you get a driver's license number in a state, it never changes. Never. Now, altogether, there were 6 tickets. One of them a speeding ticket I got in 2007 in my North Carolina driver's license. They didn't even get it right. It was reduced. They didn't reduce it, but the fines would show on the paper that it was reduced. I pled guilty to a reduced speeding ticket. But they didn't reduce it because they wanted the clerk, the clerk, Becky Black, was mad. She wanted me to have points on my insurance. That's what that was about, whether anybody wants to believe it or not. Because if you check the fines for a reckless driving charge, it was 45 and 25. Fines would be a lot more than $189. Court costs and fines altogether. But that's something that they tricked me into signing the payment agreement, but then it wasn't reduced. I can't get them to listen to me about that. I did sign the thing, pled guilty to a reduced speeding ticket, however. But the other tickets, the other 5, 2 from the city of Beckley, which right there, the driver's license number is E689689. E689689. My driver's license number is E689069. Matches it on the receipt, matches it on that. Okay, I surrendered them to the courts in Davie County, North Carolina in the year 2000. I have not been convicted of nothing but the one speeding ticket since 2000. That was in 2007, the speeding ticket. Other than that, I have not been convicted of nothing. So when they give me these papers, I thought, well, okay, whatever. But they worded it, said the officer failed to appear for hearing. When you go to the DMV, even though they dismiss it, they want $50 for each one of these tickets. And when you pay that they reserve the right to suspend it, because what they say is you didn't show up, they can suspend your license for the no insurance or for the driving on expired or inspection sticker and driving on a suspended license. Well, out of all them 5 tickets that come in 2008, there was 3 driving on suspended. 3 different driver's license numbers. And when I left, they left thinking it was all going to be handled. I know the DMV is going to argue. I'm going to ask for a hearing, try to get it handled. But they punched in and gave me another ticket, a violation that was never even brought up the first time in court. Was never on the driving record, nowhere on the driving record. It's still not my driver's license number. And it's from Sophia. And it's a seatbelt violation from 1995. So there, what they're trying. That's another $50 they're going to want me to pay. None of them my tickets. There's 4 of us David Whites here, but I can't get them to sit down and listen to me. The people at the DMV told me to tell them just to write a letter stating it was a mistaken identity, an error in identity. It would all be wiped away. I could go. I don't know how the one I pled guilty on. I probably had to pay that, but then I could have to deal with that one ticket. And I got a promise of a job at the city of Beckley. Mr. Robinson, I worked for him when I was 16 years old on the summer youth program. That's when they give you a summer job when you're in school. You can sign up at school and work in the summertime. When I did it, I got promised a job. I can go to work for the city of Beckley. Good job, good paying job. But no, they would rather just keep doing this. So I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. But that's more what's going in. I got proof of everything. I mean, I don't know what to do. I could use some help, people. Thank you.